Hey everyone, I'm Sebastian Clovis and welcome to Home Network's DIY Studios. And today we're going to be talking about how to take on home projects while keeping the stress to a minimum. Not just for you, but also for your pets. And by the way, may I introduce my pet, my dear friend, Nala. She's going to help out with the segment. Now, as we all know, home renovations, projects, or moving can be a lot of fun, but they can disrupt the lives of our pets, and so we always have to take them into consideration. Here are my tips for how to do that. Tip number 1, confine your mess to one space. Keep your materials, your tools, all of that stuff in one area. That's gonna make sure that the rest of the house stays functional. Tip number 2, set your budget carefully and set your schedule carefully, and also set small achievable goals so that you don't get overwhelmed. And tip number 3, always consider your friends and family, especially the furry ones. And here to speak to that today is our animal care expert from Pet Valu, Alison Preiss.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello.
So excited to talk to you about this today.
Let's talk about how do we consider our pets.
More so than us, our pets are such homebodies. So any moving, any renovations can feel really stressful for them. So the one thing you want to make sure that you're doing is keeping everything super consistent. Bedtime, treat time, walk time, especially feeding time. Try it no matter what you're doing. You might be in the middle of something. Take the break, make sure she gets fed on time, and that's gonna help her know everything is okay.
That's a great one, because when I'm building, things change fast. One day there's walls, the next day there's none. But if her little dog bed is the same and it's consistent, then she's gonna feel better.
Right, so after that, you wanna make sure your workspace is a safe space. You wanna make sure your pet is out of there by blocking those doors or areas.
This is a great tip.
And finally, to keep everything you need at hand for your pet, we recommend putting their favorite toys, treats, food, even their bed, somewhere where you can grab everything. So if you need to move to a different area of the house or even leave the house for a few days, your pet is gonna feel secure because all their favorite things are with them.
I like that. Nala, how do you feel about that? Looks like Nala agrees.
Well, we've got more tips in our Moving with Pet Guide, which is available at petvalu.ca. Or all across Canada, our animal care experts are at your local Pet Valu store, and they're ready to help you and your pet every step of the way.
Okay.
Now I have a very important question.
What's that?
Can I give Nala a treat?
Absolutely.
Huh?
It looks like she's ready.
Come on, girlie.
Well, thank you for coming through, Allison, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time right here on Home Network's DIY Studio. Presented in part by Pet Valu.